Now page number 36. Let me tell you a story. Once a baby lion lost his way in the jungle. He started crying and called out for his mother. It means there was a lion in the jungle but he lost his mother. An old deer took pity on him. He took him to his place. It means an old deer saw him and he took pity on him. Pity means daya આવી જાવી. So what he did, he took the baby lion to his place. But the other deer got really scared. So did their other friends, rabbits, squirrels and birds. So when all the other animals saw baby lion, they were scared. A lion among us? Oh no, he will eat up our babies. The old deer said, don't worry, I will warn him about this. In the morning, the baby lion thanked everyone and started to leave. But a rabbit said, wait, he cannot go like this. Let us count to see if he has done any mischief. We should be 240 in all. Let us count. So what was happening? A baby lion was about to leave in the next morning, and the other animals were feared that if he has eaten any of us or not. So what rabbit did? He said, let me count if you have done any mischief or not. So he started counting all the animals, and total number of animals in the jungle were 240. So if the numbers are still the same, then baby lion can leave. Tillu counted rabbits and deer. There were 27 rabbits and 48 deers. The old deer counted birds and squirrels. There were 124 birds and 38 squirrels. So let us find out. Let us add and find out how many deer and rabbits were there. So we have 48. 48 deers and 27 rabbits. 47 plus 28. 8 plus 7. This will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we will put 5 down and 1 carry over. 4 plus 1 will be 5 and 5 plus 2 will be 7. So 75 will be the answer. So in total, rabbits and deers were 75. Now let us move further. Now there were 124. Similarly, we have to add 124 birds and 38 squirrels. So 8 plus 4, which will be 12. 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 2 down and 1 carry. 3 plus 2 will be 5 and 5 plus 1 will be 6. So 6 and 1 will remain as it is. So 162 and 75. 162 are number of birds and squirrels and 75 are total number of deers and rabbits. So we will add 162 and 75. 5 plus 2 will be 7. 6 plus 7. So this will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 3 down and 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Total number of animals right now are 237. But as the old deer said, we were 240 in number. Now how many are we in all? Earlier they were 240, but at present they are 237. So can you guess now if the baby lion will go back home? Has the baby lion eaten up any animal? So answer will be yes. See, 240 minus 237. So 0 is smaller than 7. So 0 cut 10, 4 cut 3. 10 minus 7 will be 3. 3 minus 3 will be 0 and 2 minus 2 will be 0. baby lion has eaten up 3 animals from their group. Now page number 39. How many bulbs? A factory made 270 bulbs on the first day. So we will write 270 bulbs on first day. You have to copy this in CW. On the second day, it made 123 bulbs. So plus 123 bulbs on second day. What we have to find out? How many bulbs did the factory make altogether? So we have to add. 3 plus 0 will be 3, 7 plus 2 will be 9 and 2 plus 1 will be 3. So 393 will be total number of bulbs. This will be the answer. Next page, page number 40, question number 2. A shopkeeper, Rafi, had 153 candles. Paras gave him 237 more candles. How many candles does Rafi have now? So we will add 153 candles Rafi had plus 237 candles Paras gave. So this will be 7 plus 3, which will be 10. So 0 down and 1 carry over. 5 plus 3 will be 8 and 8 plus 1 will be 9. 2 plus 1 will be 3. So 390 will be total number of candles. Now next one. A train compartment is carrying 132 people. Another compartment is carrying 129 people. In all, how many people are there in both the compartments? So we will solve it like this. 132 people in first compartment and 129 people in second compartment. How many are there in total? So this will be 9 plus 2, which will be 11. 11 is a 2-digit number, so one we will write over here and another will be carried over. 3 plus 1 will be 4 and 4 plus 2 will be 6. So we will write 6 over here and 1 plus 1 will be 2. So 261 total people in both the compartments. Now next page and next question. Sonu found 138 pebbles. This is 138 pebbles Sonu found. Next is Karim found 44 pebbles. 44 pebbles Karim found. Now how many pebbles did they find in all? Means we have to find total number of pebbles. So we will add. 8 plus 4 will be 12. So 2 down and 1 carry over. 4 plus 3 will be 7 and 7 plus 1 will be 8 and 1 plus 0 will be 1. So 182 will be total pebbles. Now next one. A teacher kept a note of fruits of which fruit student like in her school. This is what she found. There is a teacher who is keeping notes of students, of number of students and fruits liked by them. So girls like 136 girls like orange, 240 girls like mangoes, 128 boys like orange and 243 boys like mangoes. So we have to find out total number of girls, boys as well as total number of students who like oranges and who like mangoes. So let us find out. First of all, we will add 136 and 240. 136 plus 240. 6 plus 0 will be 6, 4 plus 3 will be 7 and 2 plus 1 will be 3. So 376 will be the answer. Now total number of boys is equal to 128 plus 243. 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 1 down and 1 carry over. 2 plus 1 will be 3. 3 plus 4 will be 7. So 7 and 2 plus 1 will be 3. So 371 will be total number of boys. Now girls and boys who like oranges. This will be 136 plus 128. So 8 plus 6, which will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 4 down and 1 carry over. 3 plus 1 will be 4 and 4 plus 2 will be 6. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 264 will be the answer. And next one is 240 plus 243. 3 plus 0 will be 3. 4 plus 4 will be 8 and 2 plus 2 will be 4. So 483 will be the answer. Now we have to add 376 and 371. So 376 plus 371. 6 plus 1 will be 7. 7 plus 7 will be 14. So 4 down and 1 carry. 3 plus 3 will be 6 and 6 plus 1 will be 7. So 747 will be the answer. Next is 264 plus 483. 4 plus 3 will be 7. 8 plus 6, it means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 4 down, 1 carry. 2 plus 1 will be 3 and 3 plus 4 will be 7. So 747 will be the answer. See students, we have solved these questions. How many students in the school like oranges? So answer will be 264. Also I have done a calculation over here for you. You have to write this question. You have to write this question and below that you have to write this as answer. It means you have to solve and write this as answer. Next one is how many students in school like mangoes? So this will be 240 plus 243. So you have to write this as question and in answer you have to write this. Next one, altogether how many students are there in school? So in that you have to write this both as answers. Next is number of girls more than 350 or less than 350? See, we have number of girls as 376. For that you can write this one. So answer is number of girls, I am writing over here, number of girls are more than 350. So this will be the answer. Also this thing will be provided in litho. Next page, page number 42. Practice time 345 plus 52. So 5 plus 2 will be 7, 5 plus 4 will be 9 and 3 will remain as it is. So 397 will be the answer. Next is 492 plus 29. 9 plus 2 will be 11. So 1 down and 1 carry over. 9 plus 1 will be 10 and 10 plus 2 will be 12. So 2 down and 1 carry over. 4 plus 1 will be 5. So 521 will be the answer. Third one, 245 plus 93. 5 plus 3 will be 8 and 9 plus 4 will be 30. So 3 down and 1 carry. 2 plus 1 will be 3. So 338 will be the answer. Next is 643 plus 345. 5 plus 3 will be 8. 4 plus 4 will be 8 and 6 plus 3 will be 9. So 988 will be the answer. Next is 750 plus 219. 9 plus 0 will be 9. 5 plus 1 will be 6. 7 plus 2 will be 9. So 969 will be the answer. Now next one, 319 plus 323. 9 plus 3 will be 12. So 2 down and 1 carry. 2 plus 1 will be 3 and 3 plus 1 will be 4. So 4 and 3 plus 3 will be 6. So 642 will be the answer. Next is 304 plus 406. 6 plus 4 will be 10. So 0 down and 1 carry. 1 plus 0 will be 1. And 4 plus 3 will be 7. So 710 will be the answer. Next is 363 plus 456. 6 plus 3 will be 9. 6 plus 5 will be 11. So 1 down and 1 carry. 3 plus 1 will be 4 and 4 plus 4 will be 8. So 819 will be the answer. Next one, 427 plus 248. So 8 plus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 5 down and 1 carry over. 4 plus 2 will be 6 and 6 plus 1 will be 7. 4 plus 2 will be 6. So 675 will be the answer. Next is 684 plus 232. 4 plus 2 will be 6. 8 plus 3 will be 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 1 down and 1 carry. 6 plus 1 will be 7 and 7 plus 2 will be 9. So 916 will be the answer. Next page, page number 43. See, we have 59. This can also be written as 50 plus 9. This can also be written as 30 plus 29. This can also be written as 90 plus 40. And this can also be written as 59 plus 0. Now, no need to solve all this. This is just for example which I have explained, and this will not be asked in exam. Next page, page number 44. We have to do the following sums mentally. It means we will not do calculation in book, but we have to solve mentally. 75 plus 20 will be 95. 90 plus 60 will be 150. Now 25 plus 30, it means 3 plus 2 will be 5. So 55 and 55 plus 3 will be 58. Next is 9 plus 40 plus 31. 9 plus 40 will be 49 and 49 plus 30. It means 4 plus 3 will be 7. So 79 plus 1, which will be 80. Now 500 plus 200, we have to add 5 and 2, which will be 7. So 700 will be the answer. Next is 400 plus 350. 4 plus 3 will be 7 and 50 will remain as it is. So 750 will be the answer. Next is 670 plus 120. Now 0 will remain as it is. 7 plus 2 will be 9. So 9 and 6 plus 1 will be 7. So 7. Next is 380 plus 210. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 8 plus 1 will be 9. 3 plus 2 will be 5. So 590 will be the answer. Next is 205 plus 650. 0 plus 5 will be 5. 5 plus 0 will be 5 and 6 plus 2 will be 8. So 855 will be the answer. Next is 128 plus 600. 8 plus 0 will be 8. 2 plus 0 will be 2 and 6 plus 1 will be 7. So 728 will be the answer. 150 plus 69. 9 plus 0 will be 9. 6 plus 5 will be 11. So 1 down and 1 carry, and 1 plus 1 will be 2. So 219 will be the answer. 37 plus 46 plus 3. So 46 plus 3 will be 49. And if we add 37 and 49, then we will get 86. So this will be the answer. Now this one is cancelled. Now page number 45. Card game. One day Bansri and Gopu were playing. Bansri gave 3 number of cards to Gopu. He arranged the card in 2 ways. See, these are 2 children playing. Bansri gave Gopu 3 cards, 150, 120 and 30. And Gopu arranged these cards in 3 different ways. 150 minus 120, which will give us 30. This is just for explanation purpose. And if we write 150 minus 30, then also it will be 120. Gopu arranged these cards in this way, but Bansri arranged these cards in this way. 120 plus 30 is equal to 150 and 30 plus 120 is equal to 150. We can arrange both in both the ways, but we will get the same answer. You can also play it. Here are the cards for you. Work out the combination. Place the cards in the right boxes. 50, 70 and 20. We have to arrange these cards in the manner we want. So 50 plus 20 will be 70 and 20 plus 50 will also be 70. Next we have to do subtraction. So 50, 20 and 70. 70 minus 50 gives us 20. 70 minus 20 gives us 50. Next one is 30, 42 and 12. If we add 30 and 12, we will get 42. Also, if we add 12 and 30, we will get 42. 30, 42 and 12. If we subtract 30 from 42, we will get 12. And if we subtract 12 from 42, then we will get 30. So this will be the answer. This is just for explanation. This will not be asked in exam. So students, this was chapter number 3.